Hey, this is Nick with Obsessed Garage and welcome to OG Academy. Today we're going to be talking about Mckees N-914 and some of its many uses that we found for it here at Obsessed Garage. Mckees N-914 is meant to be used as a rinseless wash. If you're not sure what that is or you want to know more, I would recommend checking out our video we did on how to do a proper rinseless wash. Through a lot of testing, we have found that Mckees can be used in a lot of different applications beyond just rinseless washing. The reason for that is because Mckees is a pure cleaning agent and it has nothing extra in it like other brands of rinseless washes. So by adjusting that dilution ratio, we can get many different uses out of it. If you're confused by dilution ratios, I would recommend checking out the video we did on that as well. So let's jump right into the different uses of Mckees N-914. The first use we found is as a waterless wash. So what is the difference between a waterless and a rinseless wash? Well, a rinseless wash still requires a bucket of water or a garden hose, whereas a waterless wash, you can use the product standalone in a pump sprayer or a battery power sprayer with some plush towels and drying towels. That way you don't need to introduce any more water into the equation. A waterless wash will need 1 part of Mckees to 128 parts of water. Using that same dilution ratio, we can use it as a dedicated clay lube. So if you already have Mckees in your cabinet and you're looking for a dedicated clay lube in your decon process, Mckees is a great option not to be overlooked. For those of you that are looking for a dedicated detail spray or just a simple spot cleaner, Mckees can fill that role as well. Again, using the same dilution ratio of 1 part Mckees to 128 parts water. You can simply keep it in a spray bottle in your car, so when you go to car shows or if you're on vacation, it makes a great panel cleaner. And speaking of spot cleaning, Mckees also does a great job on the interior of the car. I always keep a small bottle of this and a towel in my trunk. That way if I make any spills or get a little bit of mud on something inside the car, I can clean it up really quick with some Mckees. Again, the same dilution ratio, 1 part Mckees, 128 parts water. Mckees also says you can use N-914 as a panel prep before polishing, but we found that it doesn't really do all that much against waxes or sealants, so we would recommend something more aggressive like a CARPRO Eraser. Hopefully you took something away from this video. You can find great products like Mckees and our towels on our store at obsessedgarage.com. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know down below in the comments or reach out directly at support@obsessedgarage.